If you're looking to make more money or find something that you can do for a living that you enjoy, then this video is for you. It's the ultimate video on figuring out how money works, how value works. So let me give you a quick premise. A lot of entrepreneurs or successful people give anecdotal evidence or advice on this based off their own experience. And oftentimes it's just a piece of the puzzle or not the whole thing. And I've done a lot of research from a lot of different sources, a lot of successful people, and I've created this ultimate guide that might just help you. So let's start with the foundation. A lot of people say that money is fiat. It's meaningless. It's just meaningless paper meant to represent an exchange of values. And therefore, when you create a business, when you have a service, when you help others, you are really delivering value and therefore making money because of it. Because you're exchanging something, you get something in return. And that's how you make more money. The more people you can help, the more value and therefore money you get. Now, I think it's more than that, and value is not the right term to use. Some people say it has to be value, and it has to be a burning problem or pain. Those are the key words that a lot of people use. Value and burning problem. Now, that's not always true. That's clearly not true. And it doesn't have to be a burning pain or problem. That obviously makes it a lot easier to find a business idea where people will actually pay you for it, because a lot of people try and make business ideas where no one in reality is going to pay you for it. No one's going to pay you to eat chips on a couch every day, even if that's your passion. So although it's easier to get paid for it, it's not the end all be all. If your arm's chopped off and you need surgery, that's a burning pain. But here's the thing. Some of the most profitable businesses in the world, candy companies make billions of dollars. Soda companies make billions of dollars every year. But these are not burning pains. They're wants. And they're not really value either. These things are bad for you. So I like to use the word positive stimuli. And that's kind of how it works. They're wants, not needs, and they're positive stimuli. They can be needs. They can solve burning problems, but they don't have to. Just think it thoroughly through. There's thousands of things that you want, but you don't need. You don't need an upgrade to your iPhone. You don't need a cigarette. You don't need another hamburger, a Big Mac, another sandwich. A lot of these things are actually really bad for you, and they will kill you in the long run. They're actually hurting your health, cutting your lifespan out, but people still buy it in the billions of dollars. So realize that, a lot of things on television, they're wasting your time, and a lot of these things are hurting your mental state too, making you think that you need fancy cars, or making you really jealous and making you think very unhealthily because you're getting very jealous or envious of these, things that are portrayed to you. And yet you still watch it because of that positive stimuli, because it's entertaining, or as others call it, value. So it's not real value in that sense. It can be. Some things are very valuable. Information products that educate you about business or success, or, how to film properly, filmography school. Those things are valuable, but it's not a necessity. So think it through. How can you provide a want, preferably a need? How can you solve a pain problem or something someone is willing to pay for? And that's important because a lot of people have ideas, but no one's willing to pay for it. And there's a huge problem there when you're